Hi, Mrs. Shagru and Mrs. Mascari.
Hi, Mrs. Sexton.
I'm really confused about my homework tonight, but it's making me hungry. Maybe I should just forget about my homework and go eat dessert.
Ooh, that sounds good.
But I know that my teacher won't let me do Fun Friday tomorrow if I don't do my homework.
That's right.
So
yeah.
I guess I should probably keep going. It says Lex bought the same number of Cool Whip tubs as pumpkin pies. So I guess he's going to put one tub on one pie or something. It says that if he spent $27, how many pies did he buy?
Ooh.
I'm stuck, Mrs. Shagru. I don't get it.
Well, it looks like you have a couple of steps that you need to make to find out the answer to this problem. Mm-hmm. What do you think you should do first in order to find out how much money, or not how much money, how much pie he bought?
Guess?
Guess?
Yeah.
What would you guess?
I don't know. 16?
16?
Probably not.
16 pies and 16 Cool Whips? I don't know if that would fit in Lex's fridge, Mrs. Sexton.
You're probably right.
You know, how about we go a little smaller if you want to do a guess and check? We could go a little bit smaller. Or...
Well, if he bought one pumpkin pie and one Cool Whip, he would spend $9,
yes.
right?
Yes.
So if he bought one pumpkin pie and one Cool Whip, one and one, that would be $9. Because 7 plus 2 is
9.
9.
Yes.
Yeah. So then, I guess that's not right. But if he bought 2, then that would be like 7 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2. Wait, that would be like 9 plus 9.
Yes.
Or
18.
Or 9 times 2.
9 times 2, and that would be
18.
18. Okay.
I think you're on the right track.
Oh, okay, so then if Lex bought...
What if he bought one more set?
Oh, if he bought 3 pies and 3 Cool Whips, well, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9, so 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Oh, that's how much he spent. So he spent $27. So he bought 3 pies and 3 Cool Whips, right?
Ooh.
Sounds good.
All right.
I wonder if Lex is going to share his pie.
I don't know. I wonder how many people are going to come to his house for Thanksgiving. But, okay. So Lex bought,
Yeah, you can't forget your
3
sentence.
Don't forget
pies.
that sentence at all.
Well, I mean, that worked out because I only had to guess 3 times. But that probably wouldn't always work out, would it?
Probably not.
Probably not. So maybe we could talk about another way to solve our problem also. I use multiplication. I mean, my teacher always tells me to draw bar models. Could I draw a bar model for this situation?
Yes, you could.
How would I do that?
Let's see. So our big number is 27. So our total bar would be worth 27.
Oh, okay.
Wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And then we have to look at it in sets. So a set, so 1 pie and 1 Cool Whip makes a set. And that was worth how much?
1 set or 1 pie would be 7 plus 2, and that's worth 9. Oh, so this part is 9.
Yeah.
So that means I would have to see how many parts of 9 make 27.
Yep.
And I could use...
What operation do you think?
Okay, so I have a whole and then I'm breaking it into 9s. Ooh, I'm dividing it into equal parts, right? So I have 27 divided by 9. And I can... that equals... I have to think 9 times... Something is 27... Not 9 times 1, not 9 times 2, but 9 times 3. So 27 divided by 9 is 3, and Lex bought 3 pumpkin pies. Oh, all right.
Yep.
Yum.
Do you want to show it on your bar model?
Yeah, you might want to do
Finish my bar model.
Yeah.
There we go. 9, 9, and 9 make 27.
Yeah, that looks
a good
perfect,
way to
Mrs.
solve it.
Sexton.
Okay. Do you have any other ideas for my friends on how to solve these kinds of problems?
Should we try a second problem like this?
Ooh, okay, let's try another one.
Come up with a different strategy?
Sure. All right, scholars, we've decided to let you try one of these problems. It's about Kingston.
Yep, Kingston bought the same number of apples as Caramel Dip. If he spent $32, how many apples did he buy?
All right, if you solve this problem and bring us the answer tomorrow, we'll give you a teacher high five. Have a great evening.
Bye.
Bye.